everyone, I am Apurva Patil from class 9th rows and on behalf of PODAR International School, Nandurbar. I am here to present formally about the 3D printing to you. So let's go. What is 3D printing? The question might be on your mind. 3D printing or additive manufacturing is the process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. The creation of 3D printer is to achieve using the additive processes. In an additive process, an object is created by laying down the successive layers of material until the object is created. And 3D printing is the opposite of subtractive manufacturing, in which it is the cutting down or the hollowing of any piece of metal or plastic. It can be the milling machine, but 3D printers enables you to produce any complex shapes using less material than any traditional manufacturing machine or method. Examples of 3D printings are many more, and it can be applicable for many other things such as dental products, eyewear, architectural scale models and maquettes, movie props, designs like taps, lamps, and constructing fossils in paleontology, and many more. Why use 3D printers for rapid prototyping? It is the easier and cheapest way we can have our idea by any holding model or prototype in your hands, and it's just a work of days, and first it was earlier as weeks, but this can be done through days. Thank you. So here we are at the lab to see how actually the 3D printer works. So here you can see the processes going on of 3D printing of object, and you can see here the options from where we can manage the time, and we can cancel or give the procession of the printing. Here you can find the filament, which is usually the plastic, which just go from the pipe and then melts and then protrudes from the nozzle, from where it starts or begin to create any 3D object. Apart from this, we have also taken our initiative in a 3D printing exhibition, where some other students are assigned the work for working on the Tinkercad. Tinkercad is a software, modeling software, where you can create the designs and then which are printed into the solid objects. So here you can see the some of the objects created by the 3D printer. This is the model which we are going to create, and now it is pending. It's of the fort. And also this project is different of extinct and endangered animals. Here you can see the objects which are 3D printed by our 3D printer. We can find here dodo, dinosaur, the golden frog, then the panda, also the tortoise and the rabbit. Altogether, we have been assigned the projects on 4 things. First is the botanical garden, the second one is the historical monument or fort, and the third one is the working robot, and the fourth one is the extinct or endangered animals. Thank you so much for watching my video.